CES is the Consumer Electronics Show. It's the largest trade show we attend every year. So normally we are in the Venetian Convention Center, and this year we had the opportunity to showcase the Ring booth outside in Central Plaza. We talked about 2K rolling out on some of our higher end cameras. We talked about our partnership with Kidde and the smoke CO detector that's launching in March, as well as really showcasing smart video search. One of the activations I'm super excited about is a partnership we did with Leisure Hydration. Our other activations are we have the world's largest doorbell that everyone can come and take a picture of, and that's been really fun. And then we've also had a scavenger hunt, which people have really loved. There's been tons of energy here. People are so excited to be at the booth, and I'm super proud of the team and the work we've done.